The pair of the linear equations, how we can find out without drawing the graph what's the relation between these two linear equations. What is the relation between these two between these two pair of the linear equations? By finding these values we can find out the relation between these two without drawing the any graph. Listen, if the a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, if it is satisfies, the condition is intersection. The graph will be the intersection. There is only one solution, and the equation we call it as consistent and independent. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2, that means the graph will be parallel. The lines are parallel na, so that is parallel. There is no solution and the equation is inconsistent. Next, if the a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, that means there is a number of solutions. The two linear equations, the two linear lines are coincide. The condition is consistent and dependent of the equation. Now the pair of the linear equations, when we are considered the graphical method, a1 by a2 2 by 3, b1 by b2 1 by minus 2, c1 by c2 minus 5 by minus 4. Here a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. That means the graph will be intersection. That means there is one solution. There is the one solution. The equation is consistent and independent. Okay, now how to find out by using the graph? Like this we can find out. Now what we need to do in the graphical method of the pair of the linear equations, now we need to separate the y and x. Now see, 2x plus 5, y minus 5 equal to 0. Now what is y value? Take as left side. If you take this all to the right side, what happen? Minus 5 will be plus 5, minus this plus 2x will be minus 2x. Okay, now fine, y is equal to 5 minus 2x. Now next second equation, take once, 3x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. If you are taking this towards the right side, what happened? 2y. Okay, now this is 3x minus 4. Okay, now what is y value? Y is equal to 3x minus 4 divided by 2. Okay, this is the y equation, this is the y equation. We need to take x values and what is, we can find out the y values. Based on the x and y values, we can draw the graph, we can get the what is this definite, that one solution. Now we have the two equations. Now we need to take separate boxes to find out x and y values to draw the graph. Before graphing, we need to take two boxes for each one linear equation. For the, this is the first linear equation and this is the second linear equation. Okay, now take one box for x value. What is y? Y is the 5 minus 2x. If we substitute y, we can get the x comma y. This is the equation. What is the equation here? We need to write, that is, what is the equation? 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Next, when we are taken into the consideration, now this equation will be 3x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Here x and what is y? 3x minus 2y minus 4. Then what is x comma y? Now here, see here, if it is 0, what is y? Now 5 minus 2 into 0, 5 minus 2 into 0, 2 zeros are 0, 5 minus 0, 5 minus 0, 5. Now what is x? X 0, y is 5. Now when we are taken 10 for example, y is equal to 5 minus 2 into 10, 2 into 10. Okay, 10 2s are 20. 5 minus 20, how much it is? 5 minus 20 is minus 15. Now, if it is 10, it is minus 15. Now, take 20. Y is equal to 5 minus 2 into 20. That means 5 minus here, 5 minus 40. How much it is? Minus 35. Now, it is 20 minus 35. Next, for the second equation, if we take 0, y is equal to, okay, y equal to, here, sorry, here we need to write what is y is equal to, sorry. Now, y equal to 3x minus 4 by 2. This is 4, okay. Now, see, 3x minus 4 by 2. Now, y here, x is 0, 3 into 0, minus 4. 3 zeros are 0, minus 4 by 2. Minus 4 by 2 is nothing but 2 ones are 2 twos are. So, it is minus 2 is y value, 0 is x. Okay, next when we take 10, y is equal to 3 into 10 minus 4 by 2. 3 tens are 30 minus 4, 26 by 2. How much it is? 13. So, 10 comma 13. If we take 20, what will be the y value? 3 into 20 minus 4 by 2. 3 20s are, how much it is? 60. That's why 60 minus 4 by 2. How much it is? 56 by 2. That is 28. If it is 20, this is 28. Now, we need to draw the graph. Okay, this is y-axis, this is x-axis. Now, we need to scale, take the scale. On x-axis 0, 10, 20 are there. Now, on the y-axis 5, 15, 35, these are there. That's why on x and y, both axes, 1 unit. That means 1 box on the graph is 2 units I considering. Okay, for example, that means here 0 comma 0, x and y both are 0 comma 0. 1 here, sorry, starting with the 2 because 1 unit is 2 units. 1 unit is considered as 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and then 14 and 16 like this. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10, minus 12 like this. Here also 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Here minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10, minus 12, minus 14, minus 16, minus 18, minus 20 like this we can do. Or you can take x and y, both axes scales are 1 unit equal to 3. You can consider 1 box equal to 3 units. Now, for this first equation, 0 comma 5. Here is 0, x-axis is 0 and y for the here. For y is here. Okay. Now, I am denoting with the blue point. Next, 10 comma minus 15. If it is x 10, y minus 15. X is 10, y is minus 15 here. Next, if it is 20, that is 35. If it is 20 minus 35, that is out of 1. For example, next, you need to take minus 10 and minus 20 values also. Okay, for the better representation, you need to take minus 10, minus 20 also. Here, these are the linear equations. That means linear equations are having the graphs like the straight lines. Like, you need to draw this straight line touching with these points. Okay, now you need to take minus 10, minus 20 also for the better representation. Minus 10 and minus 20 also x values. Now, if it is x0, y is minus 2. x0, y is minus 2. x0, y minus 2 here. x10, y 13. x10, y is 13 here. Next, x20, y 28. x20, y 28 here is there. Okay, now if you take minus 10, minus 20, you will get some more points here. Okay, now we need to draw touching these points. Okay, now x is 0, And then what is y? Minus 2 is there here. Sorry. We need to write like this. Okay. Now here the touching point is there. From this we will get the what is x, what is y. Here in this linear equation we will get what is the value of x and what is the value of y. This is touching 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1. That means x comma y is 2 comma 1. That means x equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. These are the values of the linear equation. Here 1 and here 2.